The review pay work item is allocated to Alan, but Alan cannot complete the work item and wishes to offer it to another available resource. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about deallocation, the ability of a resource to relinquish a work item which is allocated to it and make it available for distribution to another resource or group of resources. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here we have deallocation. We start the animation and the review pay work item is for Alan, so it's allocated to Alan. And Alan cannot complete the review pay work item and wishes to offer it to other available resources. So he deallocates the work item and now it's offered to Max and Nina, and if Max accepts it and starts it, then he can complete the case. In YAWL, there exists a task privilege called Allow Work Item Deallocation that does exactly that. So here we have the YAWL administrator on the top left, we have the specification on the right, and at the bottom we have Max, Nina and Alan. And we start a case right now and we look at the work queues. We can see that it's offered to all of them, and let's say Alan accepts it now. Then it's of course gone for the others. And now he doesn't want to finish it, so he deallocates it. And if we look at the work queues now, we can see that it's now offered to the other two, and if Max accepts it, he can then work on it and complete it. Thank you for watching.